boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Me, myself, and I. That's the title of the song. And no, it's not the G-Eazy or the Maroon 5 song. This is 5 Seconds of Summer. So a great song there as well. We only have 4 different chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. And we love that. So that's great. Let's start with capo on the second one, second fret. And we have these 4 chords: G, B minor, D, and A. All right, so let's start with G. That is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord will be B minor. So a bar here on the second fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have D next, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord will be A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And there we have the chords in that order through the entire song. Now we just need to look at one strumming pattern. All right, so this one will be divided into 2 different parts because we're gonna split here and think pair of chords. So G and B minor will pair up and D and A will pair up. So we will look at the transition here from G to B minor. All right, so it will sound like this. All right, so the first part, and that is played for G, is just down, down. So down, down. And then you shift to B minor and play up, down, up, down, 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 up. So up, down, up, down, 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 up. Again. Up, down, 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 up. And then you play the same, but for D now, you play part 1, down, down, and then you shift to A and play the part 2 in the same way as you play the B minor, up, down, up, down, 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 up. So one round slow will sound like this. And with standard tempo, something like this. Yeah, you will play like this until you come to 1 minute and 56 seconds into the song. Then you're gonna play 2 rounds of just 1 down per chord. So this, so a second round, D and A, and then you're gonna continue with the strumming that we just learned. And that is pretty much it when it comes to 5 Seconds of Summer's Me, Myself, and I. So an easy song there and a great one, so give it a try. Hope you enjoy this one and play tuned.